In today's video, I will be testing out this Dollar Tree adhesive sticky pad versus this Amazon one, along with heat transfer vinyl from Dollar Tree versus this Amazon and Hobby Lobby heat transfer vinyl. Let's go. Today I am testing out the cutting pad. I found one at Dollar Tree from my surprise, and so I had to grab it, versus this Amazon one that came in a pack of 5. I am also testing out this heat transfer vinyl from Dollar Tree to see if it actually sticks to things. And this heat transfer from Hobby Lobby and Amazon. First up, I am testing out the white heat transfer vinyl from Amazon, and the pink at the bottom is from Hobby Lobby. I wanted to keep as much as I could the same, so I did the graphics the same for each shirt, along with the settings for the Cameo, which I used to cut out the graphics. And if you are seeing my reviews for the first time, please hit that subscribe button below. It'll keep you up to date on all of the Dollar Tree content I do with crafting, new finds, and Dollar Tree walkthroughs. Now back to the shirts. The white vinyl was a little hard to weed off of the sticky mat. Maybe my settings were not correct for it, but the Hobby Lobby pink vinyl was perfect. I'm going to iron it on with parchment paper just to protect it a little bit. And it looks like I did this fast, but it was probably sitting there for a good 10 minutes. I just wanted to make sure it stuck really well. Didn't have too many issues when peeling off the clear adhesive. One final sweep of the iron just to make sure it's all down. With first impressions, this Amazon and Hobby Lobby vinyl did stick quite well to the shirt. I did end up wearing it for a day, and the pink vinyl stayed throughout the whole day. The D had that little corner that peeked up, and then the white vinyl seemed okay. Now on to Dollar Tree. Again, I was surprised to find this adhesive sticky pad there, so I had to grab it. It seems like it's really hard to get the bubbles out of the heat transfer vinyl. I've used just the regular vinyl from Dollar Tree, and you can kind of like peel up the vinyl and lay it down flat and get the bubbles out, but you can't really do that with heat transfer. You would just be peeling back the adhesive for the heat transfer, so it's not really an option. But if you guys have any suggestions or see something I did wrong, feel free to leave it in the comments below. I am still learning and always willing to try other methods. The cutting for the Dollar Tree vinyl went smooth as could be, and this adhesive pad was actually really strong. I would highly recommend, if you see one at your Dollar Tree, to grab it. And then the weeding with the heat transfer vinyl from Dollar Tree went a lot smoother than the Amazon one did. It did not take long at all to peel off the excess and pick through the letters that had them in between. I was concerned because when I was cutting these out and they were all weeded through, you could still see a lot of glitter on the clear adhesive, and I was worried that would transfer onto, for this, the white t-shirt, but for any project you were doing. But you will see later on that it did not transfer at all. Again, I had it iron on for probably good 5 to 10 minutes, just wanting to make sure there were no issues. As I started to peel off the clear film, there were no issues. No letters started peeling up at all. but I wanted to continue ironing just to make sure the adhesive really did stick. stick. I wanted to give it a fair chance. First results, it all stayed well. There were no lifting edges or anything. I actually really like this one compared to the Amazon / Hobby Lobby one. I like the glitter a lot more. I then wore this shirt for 24 hours. The pink had some initial peeling after wearing it for a few hours. You could see the K kind of popped up a little bit, but the green vinyl did not move at all. 24 hours later, I had it in the wash machine in cold water with the shirts inside out so the prints didn't get damaged, but sadly the Dollar Tree one, the letters started peeling a lot more. With the Amazon Hobby Lobby black shirt, there wasn't much peeling at all. As you can see, the E started coming up for the Dollar Tree heat transfer vinyl along with some of the other letters. The green still stayed solid, but the pink vinyl, maybe there's something up with the pink vinyl. The letters did start peeling. And the white Amazon vinyl, weren't any issues. If there's any mistakes in the lettering, it's kind of my fault. I was rushing it a little bit. And then 24 hours again later, letting the shirts air dry. The heat transfer vinyl, the pink, of course, started peeling a little bit more once it dried. And the green is still staying strong. And the black shirt, the Amazon and Hobby Lobby one, the white had maybe a few peeling edges, but the pink HTV from Hobby Lobby, the DIY font, is still staying strong. In the end, I don't know if I would trust Dollar Tree heat transfer vinyl, but the cutting pad was definitely worth it, and I would definitely buy it again.